Hello, in this video, I would like to talk about wildfires as they relate to climate change. Now, the United States, specifically the West Coast, has been very susceptible to wildfires in recent years. This can be seen by looking at National Interagency Fire Center data, which looked to graph the number of acres burned by wildfires for any given year, starting in 1990 and proceeding through 2015. Now, there are some interesting trends that can be seen from this data. If we look at where the data starts in 1990, we see that 4 million acres were burned due to wildfires. If we look at the last data point, which is in 2015, we see that the number of acres burned had jumped to 10 million acres. Now, although there is some variability in the data set from year to year, we do see an upward trend as the years go on. Now, this is important because wildfires, I believe, can be seen as what is known as a salient event. That is, an event that everybody pays attention to, and thus is seen as an event that people tend to remember for years to come and are thus shaped by. And it is through this shaping that hopefully political action can be taken so that devastating events such as massive wildfires that are occurring can maybe be better managed in the future. Now, part of the problem with climate change in general is that there tends to be a slow creep, meaning a slow creep towards a worse future. And hopefully, with the use of salient events, this slow creep can be averted. Hopefully with the unfortunately traumatic events that are a wildfire, people can look at their surroundings and see that in due course their environment is being destroyed. Hopefully, they can see this before the slow creep of climate change proves too insurmountable to be reversed. I do hope that although wildfires are truly devastating, both financially and psychologically, that the salient nature of these events can somewhat shake people out of the false sense of, for lack of better terms, complacency that people tend to have or seem to have